dripping! What are you eating?
I think that's something to do with energy.
And cellular respiration, maybe.
It's good.
I'm digging the cellular respiration stuff.
It seems like a complicated process, though. I wonder how it all works.
No, as long as I can eat my pizza.
I'm in sweet, sweet food heaven. And never knew science could taste so good.
Science.
Science rules.
Glucose enters the cell through a protein channel. ATP immediately attaches a phosphate, consequently becoming ADP. This changes the shape of glucose, allowing it to no longer leave the cell. The molecule then splits into two G3Ps. NAD+ then takes another 2 electrons. They become NADHs and form 2 ATPs. They then stumble into the mitochondria. The G3Ps stumble into the mitochondria where they meet NAD+ and are both stripped of 2 electrons. An enzyme breaks off the useless parts and another one attaches coenzyme A to it, forming 2 NADHs and 2 carbon dioxides. Acetyl coenzyme A enters the matrix and then bonds to oxaloacetate, forming citric acid. Coenzyme A falls off as the citric acid is guided through the matrix. Acetyl coenzyme A is stripped of 2 electrons from NAD+. FADH takes another 2, and another NAD+ takes yet another 2 electrons, splitting the molecule. The NAD+ turn into NADHs and the FADs turn into FADH2. The process then begins again as oxaloacetate returns to the entrance of the matrix to guide the other acetyl coenzyme A. This step gives off 6 carbon dioxides and 2 ATP. The remaining NADHs then take their electrons to protein complex 1 in the electron transport chain, becoming NAD+. The electrons are passed from one protein complex to another, which causes the hydrogen ions to chase after the electrons being passed and fill the inner membrane space, creating an electrochemical gradient. All of the hydrogen ions fill into the ATP synthase, creating ATP with oxygen being the final electron acceptor. This forces ADP and phosphates together, producing 34 ATP from this process.
Where are we going to be walking?
Okay, turn it off.
No, Ben, you need to turn.